Yes, ORS is a sachets. It is available in sachets like this. You can get it at any medical shop. There are sachets for 1 liter of water, for 200 ml of water. Once you have made it in a clean drinking water, that solution has to be used within 24 hours. If you are less than 2 years child, you should give half the cup with a large cup, half cup. That is, idea is to give for 50 to 100 ml. And for children, if your child is more than 2 years, you should give 1 large cup of water. And this has to be given after every episode of loose stool. In case if the ORS is not available due to some reason, or you are not able to go and get a ORS maybe during night time or something like that, so you have to make this solution. You have to take 1 liter of water. In that you have to add 6 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, and this you can use instead of ORS water till the ORS because hydration therapy should be started, that is the water therapy should be started as earlier as possible. Earlier the hydration therapy, better for the child. The other fluids which you can use apart from ORS is the salted rice water. You can use salted chas or buttermilk. You can use coconut water. Fluid which is not to be have during means you should avoid giving your child during diarrhea is sodas, that is carbonated drink, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Fanta, Thumbs Up. Canned fruit juices like Tropicana, Rasna, Mangola, fruity and all not give. Sweetened lot of sugar drink, any liquid or any with lot of sugar you should not give. Tea and coffee you should not give. So these fluids, try to avoid it. What